Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the bustling world of social media marketing. If you're looking to up your game and connect with your audience like never before, you've come to the right place. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Know your audience. Before you post your first tweet or design that eye-catching Instagram post, you need to know who you're talking to. What do they like? What do they hate? Understanding your audience is the key to engagement. Dive deep into analytics, survey your followers, or even engage directly through comments and messages. Step 2. Content is king. But context? It's the kingdom. Crafting content that resonates with your audience is crucial, but delivering it in the right context, that's where the magic happens. Whether it's a trending hashtag on Twitter or a meme format on Instagram, make sure your content fits in while standing out. Step 3. Consistency is crucial. Whether you post once a day or once a week, keep it consistent. This builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. Tools like scheduling software can help you stay on track, ensuring your social media feeds are never left gathering dust. Step 4. Engage, engage, engage. Social media is a two-way street. Don't just broadcast, interact, respond to comments, repost user-generated content, and don't shy away from sliding into those DMs. Engagement increases visibility and builds community, turning casual followers into loyal fans. Step 5. Analyze and adapt. Every post, every like, every share holds valuable insights. Use tools to analyze what works and what doesn't. Perhaps your video content outperforms images, or maybe your audience engages more during a specific hour. Use this data to adapt and refine your strategy continuously. And there you have it. 5 essential steps to mastering social media marketing. Remember, the landscape of social media is always changing, so stay curious, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay engaged with your audience. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in the digital world.